SWL 700 ET COURT DELUXE, the sweeper specifically intended for cleaning synthetic turf surfaces. Padel, tennis, football, fully independent, thanks to its battery-powered supply. Reduces working time and fatigue while cleaning large areas with ease. Equipped with brushes collecting coarse waste and sand while neatly combing the fibers of artificial turf. It also features a drawer with micro holes for redistributing sand and retaining dust and ball fluff. Your courts will always be in perfect conditions. The side brush collects and evenly distributes the sand to the edges of the court. In addition, the brush may be provided with glass saver wheel protection. The side brush can pass through without damaging the crystal. Its compact dimensions allow moving even within the tightest spaces. In addition, by simply changing the drawer, it can be employed both outdoors, such as in driveways and parking lots, and indoors, such as in locker rooms, bars, and offices. All in all, with just one machine, you can fix the problem of effectively cleaning your sports facility.